Today, we're tackling something that, let's be honest, can feel a bit intimidating. Creating a professional, compliant GST invoice. Our goal today is simple. Give you the tools to make this whole process, well, not just manageable, but actually efficient.
And it's so important. This isn't just about ticking boxes for the tax office. It really shores up your business's financial health.
How so?
Well, accurate invoices means smoother cash flow, definitely builds client trust, and gives you that clean audit trail. It's fundamental for a healthy operation. Getting it right, it's just smart business.
Okay, great point. So let's unpack this. Where do we start? I'm guessing somewhere in the software.
Yeah, usually in your sales tab. But hold on, before you even think about hitting that invoice button.
Okay, pre-checks.
Exactly. 3 critical pre-invoice checks. Think of them as your first line of defense. Saves so much hassle later.
Got it. Lay them on us. What's check number 1?
First, you need to pop over to settings.
Okay, settings.
And double check your core details. Company name, your GSTIN, address, and state. Make sure they're spot on.
Because that info goes straight onto the invoice, right?
Precisely. Any mistake there can cause issues down the line. And just quickly on the GSTM.
Yeah.
That's your goods and services tax identification number. That unique 15-digit code. You have to get that right. It's like compliance 101 for tracking taxes and credits.
Right, makes sense. Okay, check 1. Core company details verified. What's next?
Check 2 is your customer info. Head into contacts.
Contacts, okay.
Make sure the customer's name and address are correct. Simple enough, but there's a nuance here.
Oh.
Yeah, depends on the customer. If you're selling to an end user, like just a regular person, it's totally fine if they don't have a GST number. You don't need it.
Ah, good clarification.
But if it's a business-to-business sale, getting their GSTIN correct is non-negotiable. Both sides need it for their tax credits.
Okay, so know your customer type. End user, no GSTI needed. Business customer, definitely needed. Got it. Check 3.
Final pre-check. Products and services.
Right, the things you're actually selling.
Exactly. For each item, you need to make sure the HSN code is assigned and correct.
HSN code, that sounds important. Mandatory.
Absolutely mandatory for a compliant GST invoice. The HSN, or Harmonized System of Nomenclature, it's basically a global code. It classifies your product correctly for tax purposes, gets the GST rate right, avoids audit flags. It's like the product's tax DNA.
Okay, HSN code check for every item. So company details, customer details, product details with HSN. We're ready now.
Now you're ready to generate.
All right, this is where it gets easier, I hope.
Much easier. This is where the software really shines.
So back to the sales tab and hit that invoice button.
Yep, that'll take you to the GST invoice generator page, and you should see a live preview on the right.
Oh, cool. So you see it building in real time.
Exactly. And the real power here is the automation. The software pulls the data from your sales records. Imagine typing all that in manually every single time. Item descriptions, HSN codes, prices.
Ugh, no thanks. Prone to errors too, I bet.
Totally. This way, it's more about checking than entering. So much faster.
Show me. How does that work?
Okay, see the select invoice search bar.
Yep.
Just type in an existing invoice number. Let's say you already entered the sale as 001. Type it in.
Okay, typing 001.
And watch the preview.
Whoa, okay, yeah. It just populated, everything's there.
Yeah.
Items, HSN codes, the totals.
Instantly.
See?
And just like that, boom, it's all there. Huge time saver.
That really is efficient. Okay, so the core invoice is generated. What about making it look, professional?
Good question. 2 final touches really elevate it.
Right.
First, your company logo, usually under a section like your company details.
Okay.
You upload your logo file there. It's typically a one-time thing. The software saves it for all future invoices, gives you that consistent branding.
Nice. One-time setup for branding. What's the second thing?
Just on the logo, quick tip. Make sure the file isn't huge. Optimize it. A massive logo can slow things down or cause email issues.
Ah, good practical tip. Okay, noted. Second professional touch.
Scroll down a bit. Usually you'll find a signature and note section.
Just making sure.
You can upload an image file of an authorized person's signature that really completes the official look, makes it look credible.
So upload a signature image.
Yeah, a clear digital signature adds a lot of weight. I've seen invoices questioned just because the signature was blurry or missing. It's a small detail, but important for credibility, especially with bigger clients.
Right. Logo uploaded, signature uploaded. Seems like we're done.
Pretty much. You've got a complete, accurate, compliant, and professional-looking GST invoice.
Fantastic. So how do I get it out?
Look for the Download PDF button. Click that.
Okay.
And there you have it, a ready-to-go invoice. You can print it, share it on WhatsApp, email it straight to your client, and you can feel confident it's all correct.
That actually sounds doable, way less intimidating than I thought.
Exactly.
So what does this all mean for you listening? It means you've just picked up a really practical skill pretty quickly, actually. You can generate these essential documents with clarity and efficiency.
You know, it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? If these digital tools can streamline something as complex seeming as GST compliance this easily, what other parts of your business are maybe still manual, still soaking up your time, and frankly, your mental energy? Just imagine freeing that up. What could you focus on instead? Maybe more strategic thinking, deeper customer connections, or heck, maybe just reclaiming some personal time. It's definitely something worth pondering for optimizing your whole operation.